Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these beautiful, crispy, tasty, delicious buffalo chicken cups. I'm going to show you guys exactly step by step how to do this, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray our muffin tin with some olive oil. And then I'm going to take these wonton wrappers I have. The wonton wrappers you can get in the produce aisle of your local grocery store. That's where I got these. So I've already opened them. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and line the cups. We're going to line the cups to make our cups. So what I do is I just place my finger in and I just go around the edges with my nail just to make sure that the bottoms are flat. So these are all done. I'm going to go ahead and place these in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes just to let them brown a little bit, and then we'll add in our dip. Alright, so next I have some cream cheese. So this cream cheese has a easy measuring guide. So I'm going to cut 4 ounces. That's all we'll need. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and place the cream cheese in. I got 1.5 cups of chicken. So I got some chopped chicken. I've got the chicken from a rotisserie chicken from the store. So it's about 1.5 cup. I'm gonna pour in my hot sauce. So here I have over 1/3 cup of sour cream. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. First, let me move the spoon out and put it in a bowl. So add in sour cream. Of sharp cheddar cheese. Now it's time to mix it all up. So just mix it up, guys. Make sure everything's well combined. Alright, in the meantime, our wontons are done. So we got our little cups for our buffalo chicken. So now that we got our chicken all mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and place these in the cups. So now I'm going to take our buffalo chicken mix and put it into our cup. Alright, so here's the bowl. There's not much left in here. I tried to fill the cups as much as I possibly could. So here's what they look like when you put the dip in there. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle these with some sharp cheddar cheese and white. Alright, so these been in the oven for 8 minutes and the cheese is melted. They look so good, they smell so good too. Very, very easy. Alright, so I have some green onions I'm going to chop, well I chopped up, I'm going to place on the top of these. You don't need a lot, just a little bit on top. Group together. Alright guys, so I put these on a tray, and here's our finished buffalo chicken cups, your appetizers for a football game or just because. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you hit the notifications bell so you know when I post a new video. If you guys don't see me, make sure you keep an update on my community posts, because that's where I will usually let you guys know what's going on. I usually will not take more than 2 days off to post, but I do work. So make sure you share, subscribe, like, all those things. Leave me some comments. You know, I love those, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.